Boy, do we have a wild vlog today, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ, I just put that battery in. Anyway, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching. Happy you're back. Glad you guys are enjoying this vlog series with the CRX. Appreciate the support more than you could ever imagine. Saturday morning here, you're watching this vlog on a Monday. Spoon is on his way with the rear disc conversion kit. He forgot to give it to me with the car. When I picked it up, I said, no worries. He said, give me a reason to leave the shop. He's got a reason. We've got our parts here that showed up after I ended that last vlog. So why not just have Spoon unbox it, right? It's his old car. He's still attached to it. We love him, right? And we got some cool parts in from K-Tune. We might as well have him open up the box and show us all these cool new parts that showed up. I love you guys. Let's enjoy this vlog. I'm sorry that there's a rush in this intro because that battery's about to die. Smash that like button. Join the giveaway. Consider subscribing. Let's enjoy ourselves. Keep going. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, so, all right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. All right, well, I got some of that out of here. I just gave that to my little man, Georgie, man. Solid kid. Helped raise him, so I got a little bit of cleaning to do here. Hopefully he figures out how to drive it. You good? Yeah, he's good. All right. I never really got to use that toolbox too much, and I could kind of like, your e-brake is locked on the left. Yup. I never really got to use that box much. It was just basically like a shelf, and I never really got to use the. He doesn't know how to use it yet. He'll learn it because it's knob, you know. It's not like whatever. See, oh, look, you cut it close there, Georgie, my boy. All right, I never really got to use that toolbox or that press much. I figure I definitely need more space in here, so got rid of that. Gave him a bunch of tools. Gave him some Snap-on guns, some Milwaukee guns. He does like quads and dirt bikes, and he's like learning how to get even better at them. But for right now, before Spoon gets here, let me kind of organize. Might have to jump upstairs and grab like a tote or something, so I could just put stuff in there for now. But I mean, it looks like a complete mess, right? Like a disaster. But you know, hopefully I got it somewhat situated before Spoon gets here and we start opening up these boxes. There goes the man. What a unit he bought off RJ. V6 Accord, boys. Thing is mint. Let's get it.
You must have a sign that says U-turn only right there. No,
no, he's with me. He's a good U-turn.
What year is this?
That's nice. 99.
99.
Oh man, I had the 84.
Yeah, this is a 99.
Yeah, I wanted to buy one and restore it, but I can't find the panels.
That one is already restored.
No, but this comes with the doors. Mine's got like steel, and then it's got fucking 3/4 of it is all panels, plastic.
They ruined your intro. They ruined your intro. What's up, brother? It's my brother Georgie. It's my man Spoon. How was the ride?
Not bad.
Smooth? You're so used to this now, right? With the camera in your face? Oh my God. We were just shooting the shits, me and George, and I was like, yo, bro, that YouTube thing is
different.
It's a different world.
You learn to tune it out.
You're like slave to it though. You know, it's
never
like
stops.
Yo, it never. It's a machine, dude. It's a machine. Yo, how do you like seeing your car stripped?
Not bad. Was I an asshole and covered the brake lines, or did I leave them out?
Nah. You covered that like protection rail.
Oh, okay.
So I wasn't able to get to it, but I managed. It wasn't terrible.
I heard she was kicking your ass a little bit.
Nah, I kicked my ass. Yo, I didn't know you had to do. Yo, you still got the underglows on here? I didn't see them.
No, I think I ripped them off.
Didn't you have red ones or something?
Yeah, I had.
Yeah. Is that box for it?
No, that box was for the headliner.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good thing I didn't pull that off.
No, that's for the headliner.
Oh, shit. All right, let us shoot the shits real quick, guys, off camera. We'll unload all that stuff. Put it down. We'll talk more about... Oh, you got a big job today, bro. Oh, this the extra key?
Extra key, extra remote for the
Nice.
remote start.
Sweet. Yeah, you got a big job. You got to unbox all the goodies that came in. I saved it for you.
Okay.
Okay, a little service rust here, but Spoon dropped off the rear spindles and fresh brand new cables.
Yeah, brand new cables. Everything on the spindle's been rebuilt. They were on the drag car and came right off for FCS trailing arms. So they never really saw any use.
Yo, they're in great condition. Look at it. Like the factory. I'm not even painting
Factory
these.
stamping still there.
Yeah, that's sick. You did the bushing?
Yeah, everything was already done.
Sweet. Sweet. You ready to open up some cool parts?
Yeah. I want to see what you got.
All right. Do you think it's smart to open up the coilovers? They know what it is? Yeah, you guys know what K1s are, right? I'll push that over. All right, so that box right there is where all the money is. It's where you're going to start to see the money. So they sent me some few extra items too. Yes, sir. Big shout out to Sean from K-Tuned. Always took care of me.
They just took care of DJ too.
Oh, they hooked them up, I heard, right?
Oh, that car came out so good.
Sweet. What is that?
Post mount.
Yes, because you see the rust on that one? What color did they send
Fancy
it?
silver.
Oh, you know I'm gonna be fancy. Nice billet? Yeah, that's gonna look good.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
This is all stuff I wanted to do to the car, but they be
You didn't
driving
have
it.
time. That's what I was telling people. He had his TSX, he had to give it to his mom, needed a car to get back and forth to work. He had to hurry up.
Yeah, so quick story behind the car. I got the car for in trade for painting an engine bay. I was building an EM1 for my boy. He wanted the swap that was in it. It had a 2420 with a 4-piston head. He wanted that in the EK. I was like, he didn't want the CRX. I was like, wow.
How good of a condition was it before you had it though?
It wasn't horrible.
Okay.
I was the first person to take the door panels off. So
Okay.
everything from the doors back was untouched.
Okay.
Everything forward of that was hacked. It was one of those cars where they threw a swap in it, threw a fuel cell in it, beat the shit out of it up and down the block.
Oh, it had a fuel cell?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
So when I got it, I did a new gas tank, all new lines, made it a street car again. Here
Painted it. Painted
Long
it.
story. There's more to the story, but
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is. Yes, sir.
upper arms.
Let me help you out here. We got it. Hell yeah. Sweet. K-Tune makes some great stuff.
No, they
man.
make good stuff.
Hell yeah. Does it come with those? Oh, thank God. Came with the bushings. Hell yeah. That's going to be fun to put together. I like putting stuff like that together. That's dope.
Now you drove the car before all of this, so I'm excited to drive the car after all of
Yo, so I was asking people on Instagram, should I make it an aggressive drive or that drive on those coils was amazing, bro.
this. Amazing. I built the car to be a nice cruiser street car. Like you can drive this car for 3 hours and be comfortable
And be chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Music bumping, Apple Play.
We pulled over at Dunkin' Donuts. You left me that little cup holder. Had my coffee in there chilling, smoking a bogue, heater on, music on.
I built the car.
Holding 100 miles an hour. Yo, that shit was great. What else we got? Okay.
Oil cap.
Okay, yeah, I wanted to go gold on
Of course
that.
you would go gold.
You know me and the gold.
Lipstick.
You know the Arabs with the gold, right, George?
Breather filter.
Yes, sir. This is all gonna make sense in a few. Of course, the stickers. My boys.
They sent you a billet coaster.
You can keep that. I have one here. Why don't you take that to the shop?
Yeah, I'm taking this.
Yeah,
That's
take that.
Fire.
Yep.
I like
And yeah, look at the bottom of it. Check the bottom of it. It's like it's O-ringed.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So it doesn't slide around?
holds. Hell yeah. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate
Starbucks on
you.
it.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They hooked it up. All right. What else?
You got more goodies in here. AC
Yeah.
power steering delete kit.
Yeah, you told me get another one, so I did.
That one's an older version. You hear the pulley starting to give out.
Okay.
So. It's nice.
Yeah, me and you were like in conversations for like months.
I know how picky you are.
Yeah.
I know. That's why I was nervous with you picking up the cars. Like, I know how picky you are.
Bro, I think you know why though, man.
Nah.
I make one mistake on the internet.
Oh, we're crucified.
We're done.
You say one thing wrong and we're crucified.
Done. So I was like,
misspell one thing and forget about
oh, forget about it. I remember during a giveaway, I missed a number.
Bro,
We were
don't be a
counting.
hero. Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero.
He
guys.
told you guys.
Don't-
He told you. Rear toe adjuster.
Yep, because the car doesn't have any of it.
Yep. I had to fight the old one
I'm
off.
telling you, I can't wait to drive this car.
It was
now.
crazy. No, I want you to drive this car. So I figure when I go get it tuned, I'll just stop by you. You'll just
Jimmy
rip
just fixed his dyno, so you can probably just tune it there.
I hope so. That'd be sick. And then we'll go for a ride afterwards. Plenty of awesome roads in Wallingford too.
We got rear camber kit.
Yes, sir.
Match that.
Yep. We basically did all the suspension in the rear with
Is this the
K-Tune.
new one?
And that's the new one.
I've seen it because they sent DJ one. Mm-hmm. These are dope.
So this one was on the house. Sean said, I really want you to change the one that's in the car. We revised this. We improved it. When you seen it on DJ's, can you see a difference?
The machining is different. The arms are different. It's nice. It's a lot nicer for sure.
That's it. It kind of looks different,
It looks very
but a lot
similar.
similar. Yeah.
Just improved. They improved on their older version, which is great.
Oh, I can't wait.
So yes, I've noticed like.
Sick.
Oh yeah.
No, that looks
So all the
awesome.
machining is really nice. They beveled all the edges.
Oh, you're right. They did.
Yeah.
That's
Definitely,
sweet.
they
This
stepped-
looks
they-
different.
This whole assembly looks a little different. Mm-hmm. Definitely stepped up their game. Definitely improved on the last. The last box was great because I had no issues.
You couldn't remove that on the old one. Why did they make that removable? This section.
Probably just to service it, maybe.
Maybe? Or does this whole top piece come off to put the lockout in?
Probably.
I'm
Still has all the
Oh, it
spots
still
for the
has
lockouts.
spots, yeah. Wow, it looks great. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate you, man.
New and improved.
Wow. Good job. Give you a little...
That's dope. Everybody sleeps on that.
Anything else in there?
Not in here.
All right. Last
Got
but
one
not
big
least.
box.
Last but not least. What do you got here?
I know you go for this one.
You know I definitely picked this color.
Oh, you got it. I didn't.
It's already colored. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's something about a red valve cover, bro. It's just
Classic.
It's classic. It's clean. I mean, nothing really can mess with red, bro.
Wrinkle regular.
And it's wrinkled,
Wrinkle regular is crazy.
vented. Dope, right?
That shit is
Hell
hard.
yeah. Oh my God, that looks great. I mean, K-Tune, you knocked it out the park with these new vented ones, man. How's the inside look?
Oh, new
Oh, and they
baffling.
give you the grommets too. I don't have to do that. Sweet. I hate putting those in. I always push them in too much. Pause.
That or everybody puts them in backwards.
Absolutely. Yup. That's sick. Lay it on top. Pause.
Red on red.
Oh, that's gonna look
that's
good.
gonna look good.
That's gonna look good.
You know this is a skunk to intake manifold, right? I just shaved it.
Everyone's asking me, "Yo, it looks so clean. What is it?" I'm like, skunk.
It's a skunk 2 street manifold. I just shaved
Yeah.
the badge off of it.
Bro, the DMs, it's like, yo, what manifold is that? It's so sleek, it's so clean. I'm like, ultra street skunk.
Yeah.
No way, it doesn't look like that. I'm like, I'm telling you, it is.
It's an authentic skunk 2. I just shaved
Word.
the badge off.
So that's why I got that filter too, the K-Tune filter to go into here.
Yeah, because the car doesn't need a catch can.
It doesn't need a catch can at all, and then it comes with the plugs and everything that you need. That's sweet. Thank you so much, Sean. I appreciate you, bud. I got a lot of work to do.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see the progression of it just get better.
Oh my God, wait until you
It's
see
everything
it.
I couldn't do.
I'll take care of it. I'm still having a hard. So this is Hush Performance, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I don't think you can buy his shocks a different size.
It's probably something you're gonna have to find off McMaster or something.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
just because of the shocks would work if it wasn't for the hood spacers. Mm-hmm. Because of the hood spacers, it puts it too close to the windshield.
So they do sell K-Series hoods for CRXs. They're like $1,300, I heard.
Is Hush making them again? Because I know he stopped making
I
them.
think I seen someone sent me like a carbon fiber one.
You gotta be careful because the K-Series ones that I have seen are for the SIR for now.
I want this car to stay red. I don't want it to break off. Because, if you do a carbon hood, you need a carbon
Because
trunk.
of the CRX with all the black moldings and it already broken up so much, the hoods look so off on it.
Yeah. I mean, I love the hood. A lot of people are asking me, like, what's the bump? And I'm like, oh, it's for
Intake
this.
manifold.
Yeah, it's for
With the
this section.
K-Series and the CRX, you can't fit any aftermarket intake manifold.
No.
The only intake manifold that would fit is like a K24 stock intake manifold.
Mm-hmm.
The ugly snail-looking thing.
Yeah.
That we were just talking about it off camera. Like the K series in the CRX and the EF is too much.
It's way too much.
It's not a well-balanced car.
I'm glad though that it's a 20.
Yeah.
So a little bit less torque.
I had a 24 in here before.
and that it must have been just
way too much.
Yeah, it was
It
much.
was insane.
Yeah,
It bent the subframe.
I knew it. I was gonna say, did you?
I
bend
reinforced
the subframe?
this one.
That's crazy. That's awesome. All right, man. So this is a long clip. We're going on 10 minutes. We're going on 10 minutes. So we got our coilovers here. Like I said, Spoon did suggest to get a fresh AC power steering delete kit. We got our suspension stuff for the rear. We have the rear trailer arms. And a new billet shifter, which is the version 3. And this is basically their revised version. And they're saying that this is the one all be all right here. That thing looks great.
I mean, if they improve off their old boxes, then
So the old
can only
box
get
is a
better.
little notchy. It's real tight.
that depends on the cables. You drove this.
Yes.
This is a billet box with street cables.
Very
and
nice.
It feels fantastic.
Very nice.
It's the race cables that get notched.
Yes, very nice. I mean, this car was so smooth to drive, bro.
So.
I wish I had a camera. I can't wait to drive it on camera, honestly. But yeah, guys, we got a bunch of parts here.
You got a busy week.
Yeah, I got a real busy week. I'm excited though, but I gotta knock out the brake lines first. I'm gonna save the interior for last. That'll be nice and clean, and then probably just move on to suspension, and then get into the engine bay, and then hopefully the wheels will be done, so on and so forth. But it's a little bit of a surprise.
Oh, they don't know yet.
They don't know yet. But I have another surprise that's going to reveal the tires and the rims and everything. But that's for off camera. Pause. All right, guys, mind your business. Well, guys, I know there wasn't that much stuff in this vlog here.
It's more of a hype vlog.
More of a hype
For
vlog.
what's coming.
We got some awesome parts from, again, K-Tune. Thank you so much. Thank you, Spoon, for bringing down that stuff, bro.
Need a break.
Get the hell out of that garage, right? Yo, guys, this guy works on like 40 cars a week, man. I feel so bad for him sometimes. How you like that new welder?
Sick. Everlast. Thank you.
Yo, thank you so much. Yeah, bro, I got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna go into some super detail. Hopefully, when a car is tuned, you get to take it for a blast.
Yeah, no, I'm driving it before you give it away.
I hope so. I hope I drive the life out of it too. We want to make sure that this car don't break on nobody.
Good.
Yeah, hell yeah. But yeah, guys, from me and Spoon, we love you guys. We appreciate you. Sign this out, brother.
Have a wonderful night.